So we're going to visualize the Constitution. We're going to cover every single section of the Constitution. From that point on, we're going to go to legislation and a variety of so many other things. There's so much that I'm going to cover here. And obviously with time, the content will get better and better and better. So without wasting any more time, let's get into the Constitution, specifically Chapter 1. Chapter 1 of the Constitution, the Republic of South Africa is one sovereign democratic state founded on the following values. So this particular image that you are seeing is meant to represent the following. I will try to elaborate. It captures the core idea that South Africa is one sovereign democratic state, not a fragmented but united in its diversity, with the Constitution as the guiding light. So let's go to the next visualization. Subsection A. Am I reading it properly? Usually alphabets are paragraphs, but it is what it is. Human dignity, the achievement of equality, and the advancement of human rights and freedom. So this is basically what this represents. Human dignity, the advancement of human rights and freedom. So the image itself, subsection A of the Constitution, the image that you're seeing on the screen is human dignity means every person has inherent worth. Equality and human rights aren't just legal concepts. They are lived experiences protected by the Constitution. Let's go to the next subsection of the Constitution. So the next subsection of the Constitution, let's read what it says, which is subsection 2. So subsection B, non-racialism and non-sexism. So basically the image that you are seeing, South Africa's founding rejects discrimination based on race and gender or gender. This value means building a society where who you are never limits who you become, or rather who you can become. So that's basically what it represents. On to the next one. Let's check what the subsection C. This is subsection C. So subsection C is supremacy of the Constitution and the rule of law. Let me elaborate on what it means. No person or institution is above the Constitution. The rule of law means everyone, president to citizens, play by the same rules, and the Constitution is the final referee. Chef's kiss. So I feel like I have elaborated that. On to the next one. This represents subsection D, if I'm not mistaken. Yes. Universal adult suffrage, a national common voters roll, regular elections, and a multi-party system of democratic government to ensure accountability, responsiveness, and openness. So I will slightly elaborate what this essentially means and what this image represents. Democracy isn't abstract. It's the power of ordinary people choosing their leaders through free, fair, and regular elections on a common voters roll. I think we have now covered the first section of the Constitution. I'm going to continue on a different video covering section 2 of the Constitution and section 3 of the Constitution today, because this is obviously the first videos that I'm going to be doing. It's going to be a long series of these. So yeah, don't forget to follow and subscribe. I love and appreciate all of you. Thank you for joining me. Till next time. Deuces.